Yeah! Shit on. Turn that shit up. It's not turning it up. Hey! Hey! Sexy red! Hey! Alright, we're done. We are done. I'm gonna get in how I took this trade. Hopefully you guys like my hat. And I took 2 trades today. I took 2. And I took a dub. Oh my golly gee. Oh my goodness. I took a dub. And I took a loss. But the dub was so much bigger. It didn't even matter. Anyways. Let's get into the trade today. All right. Let's go. I just finished running for today. Hell yeah. Bam. Fat ass L. Fat ass dub. They don't know nothing about me. They don't know nothing about me. Swear to God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. All right. Enough with the tweaking. Oh, one sec. I need to let my doggies in. No, I don't. Never mind. All right. Let's get into this trade recap so I can post this on YouTube. Okay. Let's go. What did I have happen? We have market open. We're getting rid of all this shit. All of it through the window. Down. All right. Big old dicks down. Dick. Down. Hourly. Down. 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 All right. Big old dicks. Took out everything pre-market on the hourly. Cool. We're going down to the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Oh, we get a low on the 15-minute time frame. Oh my God. 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 Okay. What do we need? 5-minute retrace. Cool. Market opens. Fuck me. Market opens right here. What do we get? Dicks down. 15-minute. What do we get on ES? What do we get on ES? What do we get on ES? Same shit happens. ES, I'm not going to go over it again in the hourly. Big dicks down. Took out everything pre-market. Oh my God. Okay, anyways. We took everything out pre-market on the 15. Bam. 15. Bam. 15. All right. What do we have happen next? Everything gets taken out. What do we need next? What do we need next? If you guys are following my strategy, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? 5-minute retrace. Cool. I'm waiting for a 5-minute retrace. Oh my goodness, 5-minute retrace. What do we also do? We fully fill this hourly fair value gap. What do we also do on NASDAQ? Fully fill this hourly fair value gap. And we have nothing else filled. And then we have this 15-minute as well. And the 15-minute didn't get filled, as you guys can see. So, in turn, we get a 5-minute. We get a 5-minute retrace right here. It broke structure. Doesn't really matter. I don't really give a shit. Anyways, go down to the 1-minute time frame. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a 1-minute fair value gap, 1-minute equilibrium, 1-minute confluence. Bam, what do I get right here? I get this. I get that. I get a huge dick. We are in a huge discounted price range. And what do I get? Cool. This is what it's looking like. I entered right here because I got a good fill. It stops right here. I targeted the center of this 15-minute fair value gap. Right there. Here is my TP1. Okay, this shit is ringing in my ears right now. One second. Get it sassy, get it sexy, slam thick ass, man, bitch it tan. All right. Anyways, what do we have happen? I target this, and I'm like, okay, if it breaks this inverse, I'm winning. Oh, I also entered on NQ. Oops. I also entered on NQ, same exact trade. So right here, I entered on NQ. Literally the same exact trade, same everything, center of the 15-minute. Why did I enter on NQ and why did I enter on ES? I entered on both. It was a little bit higher. It was like right here. Yeah, that seems right. Anyways, I entered on both because I entered on both because I was like, if I have 2 accounts, so actually I have 3. So I have a funded. Wait. Oh my god, I'm actually special. Anyways, I entered on my live account, I entered on ES, and on my funded, I entered on NASDAQ. Why, you might ask? I entered on NASDAQ because on my funded, because it gives you way more money. And I entered on my live on ES because I was like minimum 1% risk today, or maximum 1% risk today. So for this, for me to use contracts this size on NQ, I wanted to have multiple TPs, and NQ wasn't allowing me to do so I had to use ES. And I mean, it's just kind of how it worked out. And as you can see, we did not break this inverse. We did not break this fair value gap. What did we do? Stopped out immediately right when this stopped out. I was like, yeah, this is hitting TP. Because NQ didn't hit anything. And I was like, yeah, this is so going to hit TP. And, oh, yeah, the other part of my TP on NQ was the top of the fair value gap on the 15. And on ES was the top of the 15 as well. And then it was a 15-minute high. And then 15-minute high. So for me to enter on my live account on NASDAQ, I would want like minimum. I would want minimum like 3 contracts. Or not minimum 3 contracts. I would want minimum like 6 contracts because then I can have multiple TPs, and it just wasn't allowing me to do that. So I ended up big boying it up on ES and big boying it up on my funded account on NASDAQ. And for NASDAQ, a little tippy tip with a funded account. If your risk to reward is below a 1.5, only have 1 TP. It's so stupid to have 2. And that's with my live account. I do the same exact thing. And I mean, I'm just keeping secrets from you guys. But as you guys can see, 1.5, 1.1. So in reality, I was able to do multiple TPs with my ES trade, and I wasn't able to do it on my NASDAQ trade. And that's about it. There wasn't anything special. There wasn't anything hidden. There's no secret sauce about it. It's just me and my risk management plan. And I mean, it was also because I could make more money. And yeah, I'm kind of glad I took it on my funded on NQ. Whenever you guys see a trade on NQ or S&P and you're like, okay, I don't know which one to trade, always trade NQ on your funded because you're going to make way more money on your funded and it's going to be way easier to pass it. And ES moves way slower. And yeah. So anyways, I didn't even show you guys a trade. I'm just kind of ranting. So anyways, goes right here. I thought I was going to get stopped out for sure right here, but this is when I just trusted my TP or my stop loss. And then, as you guys can see, chop, 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 and then bam. It filled it, and I won. And this will be my last trade for the entire year. I'm not trading tomorrow, so this is just kind of a one and done kind of thing. And yeah, that's about it for what I have for you guys. As you guys can see, hit TP1, hit TP2, stopped us out at break even if I would have had more contracts in. And then bam. Hit TP3 and it's still going up. And yeah, I'm not really upset about this trade at all. I followed my rules today. I risked what I wanted to, and I didn't. Hopefully you guys like my hat. I already said that, but I risked what I wanted to, and I did everything I had to. And the reason I did take it on ES on my live account was because so I could have more TPs. And it just didn't end up working the way I wanted it to, which is completely okay. There's going to be days where it does hit on ES and then it doesn't on NQ. And there is no, explanation for it. It's just kind of what happens. And, the market just tries to fuck you, and the only thing you can do is not get fucked and not let it bother you. So, yeah, here was the overall trade on ES, and then here was the overall trade on NQ. So, yeah, that's all I got. That's it. What else was I going to say? I was going to say something else. Crypto was down crazy today. I've been talking about Ethereum a couple times on my Instagram, I believe, and on TikTok. Buy it. Please buy it. It has to break structure on the daily. You can wait for it to break structure on the daily time frame. I'm already in this bitch, and it's at a huge level right now. I will talk about levels on Wednesday and how to make a lot of money. But anyways, it's at huge resistance right now. It hasn't hit all-time highs. It is going to go up a solid, I can't even see. It's like 44%. It's going to go up a solid 44% and you're going to miss it. 45%. Don't miss it. 45% in a couple of weeks. It's happening. And if it doesn't, there goes my life savings. I put all my money in crypto. No, don't do that either. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys. Stocks are down like crazy right now. Besides NVIDIA, goddamn. NVIDIA's roaring. It's fine with me. And AMD is doing. What's AMD doing? Daily fair value gap. It's fine with me. As long as we don't break out of that resistance. Target is just Target's going crazy right now. And yeah. That's all I got for you guys. Peace out. I am hype as fuck today because I could actually trade and I followed my rules and I did all that shit. New year, new me. Even though it's not even the new year yet, I'm just fucking hyper as hell today. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this a little bit. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I am not trading tomorrow, but yeah, peace out.